Good morning, everyone. We are halfway through the week. How are you doing? Are you all excited for summer to be starting soon? I know I am. I sure miss all of you guys though, so I wish that we could be back in the classroom just for a few more days at least, but sadly it doesn't look like that's going to happen. But I hope you know that uh, you can always email me if you ever need anything, okay? Just a reminder for those of you that need it, and this does not apply to everybody. I'm going to try to start setting up one-on-one meetings with you to make a plan to bring up your grades. This will be more of a schedule so that you know what you should work on and when. That way you hopefully won't get too overwhelmed. I am going to be letting some of you know in ELA which test you should start studying to retake, and I will send review materials if I can. Today at noon and tomorrow at 9:30, I am having a Zoom meeting for anyone in 4th grade that needs to bring up their citing text evidence grade for their DBQs. If you think you are one of these students, come to the meeting. I will let you know who you are by emailing you, so check your emails. Also, if you didn't turn your DBQ in, I'm assuming that you need help with that because you got a 0 in it. So I'm going to expect you to be to one of these meetings. Next week, there will be some persuasive writing small groups put on by Miss Patterson Mrs. Simpson, and some mechanics of writing put on by Miss Patterson. Those are the 3 grades that your DBQ counted for. So if you need help in all 3 of them, if you need help in just one, you need to make sure that you're going to one of those Zoom meetings. I will post the Zoom meeting link in our Perusage 4th grade classroom. Go Guardian is going to look a little different today. Miss Patterson will be on from 8 to 11:15 today. Then I will be on from 11:15 to noon, and Mrs. Simpson will be on until 2. We have meetings today, so that's why it's a little shorter. And Miss Patterson is covering a little bit of my time because I covered some of hers last week. This is again another big reminder. Make sure you are taking AR tests. If you're having a hard time getting into the AR accelerated reader to take your test, let me know right away. You only have until Friday now to get those points up, okay? Please, please, please take your AR tests. And then don't forget to fill out that survey reflection in your history classroom if you haven't done so already. So today in reading and in writing, if your grade is not above 50%, you need to meet with me. You need to figure out a way that we can bring your grade up, okay? You can check that grade by going into Mastery Connect. It will tell you what your grade is. You're looking on the right-hand side, it will have a little circle, and the circle will have green, blue, red, yellow. It will kind of have the circle colors based on how many colors you have in that grade. So you're looking for a percentage. If you have 50% or higher, anywhere between 50% and 100%, you are not going to go to summer school for ELA. But if your score is lower than that, you need to start figuring out what to retake so that you can bring that grade up. A lot of that will be DBQ corrections. There are some other tests that you can take to bring that up. So you need to reach out to me. I am available to help you a lot right now, but next week on Friday, the very last day of school, I'm going to be less available to help you because I'm going to have a lot of things on my plate. So do not wait till the last minute and panic because you might have summer school. In math today, you are going to be classifying polygons, and it looks like you're going to be completing some practice problems. And then same thing with social studies. If you are done with history, if you've got a good grade in history, you don't have to even go log in unless you haven't taken that survey. But if you are bringing up your grades in social studies, you need to go to those classrooms that I added you to and start doing some of the reviews. Take the practice test and then ask if you can take the Mastery Connect test. In science, you have a chemistry test today, and it looks like you're meeting Michael Faraday. The Mastery Connect, the chemistry test is on Mastery Connect. Make sure you are taking that. And then the Michael Faraday, you are taking a Google Forms quiz. And I'm not 100% sure if you still have Chinese today, so you need to go in and check your Chinese classroom to see if you have any lessons in there today. I think that is everything I have for you today. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I'll be on Go Guardian for a little bit today, but I'm also going to be trying to jump on to meet with some of you here and there. So Let me know if you have anything you need to make up, any quizzes that you need to make up. You can reach me via email or go Google Hangouts, or you can make a comment in the classroom stream.